world where speed, power, and air dot dominance define the battlefield, one jet stands as Europe's crown jewel of aviation. Excellence, the Eurofighter Typhoon. Today, witness the breathtaking display of agility, raw thrust, and combat power. In action like never before. Born from a collaboration between Germany, the UK, Italy, and Spain, the Typhoon represents not just a fighter jet, but a symbol of unity and technological ambition. Its journey began in the late Cold War, designed to dominate the skies of the 21st century. Look at its sleek delta wings, its canards, and its twin engines capable of producing over 40,000 pounds of thrust. The Typhoon is more than just fast, it's supersonic at Mach 2, and super maneuverable in close combat. Armed with air-to-air missiles, precision bombs, and a deadly Mauser BK-27 cannon, the Typhoon dominates both the skies and the ground. Its radar and electronic warfare suite make it a ghost, hard to see, impossible to catch. From NATO missions to combat air patrols, the Eurofighter Typhoon has proven itself as the backbone of European air defense. Every maneuver, every roar of its engines is a message to the world. Europe controls its skies. But this is not just a fighter of today. With upgrades in radar, avionics, and weapons, the Eurofighter Typhoon will continue to rule the skies well into the 2040s. A legend that evolves with every mission. This is the Eurofighter Typhoon, Europe's supersonic pride. A fighter jet forged in power, precision, and legacy. If you were stunned by this display of combat mastery, don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe for more supersonic news.